Your teeth deserve more than old DIY tricks. You've probably heard it all before. Brush with baking soda. Rinse with hydrogen peroxide. Try oil pulling with coconut oil. But here's the truth. Most of these so-called hacks barely scratch the surface. At best, they lift a little stain. At worst, they leave your enamel weaker, your gums irritated, and your smile more vulnerable than before. And here's the shocking part. They almost never deliver lasting results. So what really works in 2025? That's exactly what I'm about to reveal. Science-backed, dermatologist-approved whitening methods you can actually trust. And the best part? These options don't just brighten your smile, they protect it. But first, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the notification bell, because you do not want to miss the latest beauty and health breakthroughs backed by real science. All right, let's dive in. The first breakthrough? Hydroxyapatite, toothpaste. This isn't your average paste. A recent study showed that people who brushed with hydroxyapatite-based toothpaste saw stain removal in as little as 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Why does it work so fast? Unlike abrasive paste that scrapes stains away, hydroxyapatite actually binds to your enamel, repairing microcracks and filling tiny imperfections. The result is teeth that look smoother, shinier, and whiter, while also becoming stronger. It whitens and repairs in one step. Now, let's turn it up a notch. Second, nano-hydroxyapatite gels. If you've ever done a whitening treatment and felt that sharp, zapping pain of sensitivity, you know how uncomfortable it can be. But research shows that these gels, when used after bleaching, repair microscopic damage and soothe your enamel. Think of it as aftercare for your smile. You still get the bright, white results, but without the pain that usually comes with them. Third, hydroxyapatite with a surprising twist. Scientists have been experimenting with combining it with capsaicin, the very compound that gives chili peppers their heat. Sounds strange, right? But the results are fascinating. The combination delivers a whitening effect with far less sensitivity than traditional gels. It's proof that whitening science in 2025 is moving away from harsh chemicals and towards smarter, gentler solutions. And now for one of the biggest trends of the year, PAP-based whiteners. These are completely peroxide-free. That means no enamel erosion, no gum burns, and no lingering irritation. Just powerful stain lifting. In fact, one 2025 study tested a PAP-based whitener combined with an 810 nanometer diode laser. The results? Significant whitening power with dramatically reduced sensitivity. If you want to dig into the details, I've linked the study in the description below. And let's not forget the tools we use. Traditional whitening trays often fit poorly, leading to patchy results and sore gums. But with 3D printing, trays are now more precise than ever. They hug your teeth perfectly, spreading whitening agents evenly while shielding your gums from exposure. So what does all this mean for you? It means you finally have real, effective options. Choose a toothpaste or gel with nano-hydroxyapatite. If you use a bleaching kit, make sure it includes enamel repair ingredients. And whenever possible, invest in trays that fit your teeth properly. Here's the bottom line. Whitening in 2025 isn't just about bleaching your teeth until they're sensitive and worn down. It's about protecting, restoring, and brightening. Together, start smart, stay consistent, and you'll unlock a whiter smile that lasts without the damage. If this video helped you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who deserves a brighter smile. And don't forget, the link to that 2025 PAP whitening study is waiting for you right below in the description.